Morning everybody. Today I'm going to be pruning some trees. It's a good time of the year to get them, just before the sap starts rising. Watch the time lapse. Cheers. Once again, I'm going just above a node and the nodes are pointing outwards. Also taking off any crossing branches, dead, dying or diseased. My favourite part, picking up all the sticks. Okay, there we have it, one pruned apple tree. If you've got any questions regarding pruning trees or any shrubs or anything like that, please go ahead and I'll answer them accordingly. Goodbye.